watching my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Astriani Manal. I am an English education student from Nias Raya University. Currently, is my second semester, and my student ID number is 2500271003. My lecturer is Mr. Muhammad Yunus Laia. Okay, today I will present a reading practice text about the Nias people. Enjoy watching and don't forget like and comment. Bye-bye. Nias people. Nias people are ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which is literally means descendants of human. Nias Island is known as Tananiha, with Tana meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practices of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Fondrage. Structure and stone carving that are found in the interior of the island provide the ancient Nias people practiced megalith culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, whereby the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festivals by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to the people of Nias, one of the mythical origin of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Tora Sigarua, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirao, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence the 9 sons of King Sirao were considered as the first people to set foot in the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted on Nias Island since 1999. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During that period, the Hoa Binh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origin of the Nias people come from an area in mainland Asia, that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra came from these Austronesian peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of researching involving blend samples over 149 people in island in 11 village in Nias Island shown the Y chromosome and the N a mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese Aborigines and Filipino peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today's Nias people no longer carry traces of the ancient Nias people. Each of those whose remains we found in the Togi Drawa Cave, Central Nias. Archaeological findings of these stone tools found shown that humans lived in the cave for over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to entire groups of people, especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was one bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Students have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbors, although it is known that there was a migration from the Austronesian people between Taiwan and the Indonesian archipelago, including Nias. It is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Gowi Nihandro or Gowi Nitutu, Pondet cassava, Harinake, minced pork, Godo, shredded cassava, spat into bowls from boiling, and later with added coconut flakes. Kefe, minced fish, spat into bowls to be rid of smoke. Ni oburu, salted per prolonged storage. Ratigae, fried bananas. Tamboye, ketupat. Lemang. Goe niboge, grilled bananas. Kajimone, made of sago. Wawayase, glutinny rice. Gulo fare, candy made from distilled coconut milk. Batok, compressed crab meat shaped into balls from longer storage was found on Hinako Island. Nami, salted crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months, depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuonifare, palm wine. Tuombanua, raw palm wine with added laru, roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by who already performed the head hunting activities. Fonduru means earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the head hunter necklace, nifatalitali, a necklace of precious metal, nifatofato, a man's necklace of precious metal, suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverbs. Hula ni femanga mau ihene jinga. Like a cat that aids starting from the sides. When doing something, start from the easiest to the difficult. Hula la ewa nidane ba ifuli fahalhal. Just like coping the water, it will still remain something that is inspirable. Abaha Joho Sofuria Moroi Baji Ofena. The wound is more severe in the later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt the most towards the end. Other traditional practices. Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo, leaping off the rock. Fatele or Faluaya, war dance. Maina, group dance. Tarimoyo, igli dance. Tarimogaile, Fangowai, welcoming of guests dance. Fame Ononihale, weddings. Omohada, traditional house. Fame E Tei Nononihale, given name of a married woman. Fasoso Lewu, a bamboo competition among young men to test one's strength. The list line. Deterioration in Nias and culture began to other since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by the German Protestant Rhenish Missionary Society, had been responsibility to the destruction of Nias and Boden statues, as well the suppressions of the Inqui culture of Nias society. Ancestor worship, magical practices, the Owasa festivals, or nobleman rank elevation festivals, head hunting and self-training. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononiha has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church. Course through culture integration into liturgy, architecture, and ERT.